So here I am getting ready to pour concrete. Had to grade first. Here's the forms set, ready to go. Getting the truck uh, set in place. I believe it's 6 yards in total. We calculated 6 yards. So here we are. It actually goes pretty fast once we start going. Probably take about 20 minutes for this to empty out the entire truck. So here we are screeting it. I'll probably say this would be the first a yard and a half right here. Um, Getting ready to bull float. And here we are continuing with the process, moving right along. So this whole process would probably take like 20 minutes at the most, I believe. So there we continue pouring, screeting it. Once we lay down, screed it, use a bull float, Fresno, edger, and then brush it. Something I did skip on this video is that process, but it was completed. We skipped the Fresno, recording the Fresno part and the edger and brushing, but it was completed. So I'm pretty happy how it turned out. This would be the first section. There's three sections in total. So this would be the first 6 yards. I believe the other section also 6.5, and then possibly 7. But here we are finishing up. There it is. So like after about 4 or 5 hours, I hose it down, and I will be doing control joints the following day, because we didn't do joints, but I would be using a saw cut, as you see, to snap my lines. But there it is. I'm pretty happy how it turned out.